Techno Futures explores quantum computing, where qubits replace bits and superposition lets a processor explore many possibilities at once. Entangled qubits enable faster optimization, material discovery, and reshape training dynamics for artificial intelligence. The intersection of quantum algorithms with AI could speed up learning, enhance pattern recognition, and rethink cryptography and logistics. Across labs and startups, researchers turn sci-fi dreams into reality with quantum sensors, room temperature qubits, and hybrid quantum classical systems. As humanity nears a potential singularity, society must address ethics and governance to ensure a future where intelligent machines uplift everyone.